Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the annual Masters match, and we have past quizzees from Clarendon College and Glenmuir High. Both schools have a rich history in the competition, with Glenmuir winning 4 championships. Our scores at this time are Clarendon College Masters on 24, Glenmuir Masters on 20. And let me just give you a quick adjustment that was made to the scores. Glenmuir lost a point for the question between which 2 countries was the War of American Independence fought in 1775, and the judges will not accept Great Britain and the independent states. Clarendon also lost a point for the answer to the question, what does the abbreviation of NSWMA stand for in Jamaica? And somewhere in there an and came, which is not acceptable. So now we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. And so teams, it's time to get up with your quick fingers, your quick thinking, and some fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this Masters Classic. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please, as the first question comes from Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Ruth's son? Clarendon.
Boys.
Correct. Biology. What part of the brain controls balance and Glenmuir?
Balance. Cerebellum or cerebrum?
Cerebellum.
Correct. And coordination. English language. Spell conscientious. Clarendon College?
CONSCIO.
ENTIOUS.
I don't think I can accept that. There's a little mix up there. CONSCIENTIOUS. Local affairs. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Clarendon?
Terry Reid.
Terry Reid.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the name of the technique used to separate and identify the components of mixtures of soluble compounds by passing them through a medium? Glenmuir?
Filtration.
Incorrect. Chromatography. Chromatography. And music. Listen to this clip. Identify the artist. Glenmuir.
Junior Gang, Damon
Marley.
Incorrect. Keznamdi. General knowledge. In Greek mythology, the Minotaur has the body of a man and the head of which creature? Glenmuir.
Bull.
Correct. In Spanish, what number is 985? Clarendon Masters?
985.
985.
That's correct. Geography. The university at Sankore in Timbuktu, founded in 989 AD, is considered by some authorities to be the oldest university in the world. In which modern African...
Mali.
Glenmuir?
Mali.
Yes, modern African country is Timbuktu located. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Glenmuir?
Lawrence Fishburne.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name of a character set which displays over 1 million characters? Universal character set or Unicode. History. The Communist Manifesto by the German philosophers Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels was first published in what year? (1848). Mathematics. What is the sum of the interior angles of a regular dodecagon? 1,800 degrees. And physics. What is the name of a single force that has the same effect as all the forces acting? Glenmuir?
Resultant force.
Correct. Acting on an object. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Clarendon Masters?
Kobe Bryant.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Complete the next line from the national anthem. Knowledge send us heavenly... Clarendon College? Masters?
Grant true wisdom from above.
That's correct. French. Translate this sentence to English. Je suis avocat.
I am a lawyer.
Clarendon Masters?
I am a lawyer.
I am a lawyer.
Correct. Literature. What is the name of Huck's father in The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn? Pap. And art. Which local artist created the work The Risen Christ in 1968? Christopher Gonzalez. Bible knowledge. Which New Testament deacon was killed by stoning? Clarendon College.
Stephen.
Correct. Biology. What is the burning of food? And that's the bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Clarendon College Masters on 36 and Glenmuir Masters on 26. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.